What if your Excel formulas automatically updated every time you added new data? The offset function makes that happen, and most users have never touched it. Every time you add a new sales row, you manually drag and fix your sum formula. Do this daily, and you're wasting 10 plus minutes every single time. There's a smarter way. Here's our sales data. Click an empty cell where you want the running total. We'll use offset combined with sum to grab exactly the right range every time automatically. Type sum, then offset, start at cell B2, move 0 rows and 0 columns. Then count A tells Excel exactly how many rows have data. The range grows itself every time. Press enter and boom, you get the correct total instantly. Now add a new month below and watch the total update all by itself. Zero manual fixing ever again. That's the magic. You just turned a 10-minute manual fix into a 0-second automatic update. Most Excel users still drag formulas by hand every single day. Subscribe. I share a new time-saving trick daily.